Corn? It's everywhere. Food, fuel, even plastic. Amazing, right? This simple plant is a key part of our lives. America grows a ton of it, more than any other country. We're talking millions of acres of farmland. Farming corn is hard work, long hours, tough conditions, but farmers are vital. They feed us, and they're getting better at it all the time. New technology helps them grow more corn using less land and resources. This ain't your grandpa's farm anymore. We're talking high-tech tractors, GPS, even drones. These tools help farmers plant, monitor, and harvest corn with incredible efficiency. But it all starts with a seed and a whole lot of sweat. Let's get our boots dirty and see how it's done. Springtime on the farm is planting season. It's a time of renewal and hard work, as the earth awakens from its winter slumber. The fields, once barren and cold, now begin to show signs of life. Big machines rumble across the fields, their engines roaring as they break the soil. These powerful tractors and plows are the backbone of modern farming, turning the earth and preparing it for the seeds. Sowing tiny corn seeds into the earth, these machines work with precision and efficiency. Each seed is placed at the perfect depth, ensuring optimal growth conditions. These aren't your average tractors. Equipped with the latest technology, they are marvels of modern engineering. GPS guides them, ensuring each seed goes in the right spot. Weeks pass, the sun beats down, rain falls, the cycle of nature continues, nurturing the seeds as they begin their journey. Tiny green shoots emerge from the soil, a testament to the farmer's hard work and the land's fertility. These delicate plants are the future of the farm. Farmers monitor their fields closely. They check the soil, manage pests, and ensure the young plants are healthy. It's a constant battle against nature's challenges, and make sure the corn has enough water. Technology helps here too. Advanced irrigation systems deliver water precisely where it's needed, conserving resources and promoting growth. Drones equipped with cameras fly over the fields, capturing detailed images and data. This bird's-eye view allows farmers to spot issues early and take action, giving farmers a bird's-eye view. They can see the health of their crops from above, identifying areas that need attention. Sensors in the ground provide real-time data on soil moisture and nutrients. This information is crucial for making informed decisions about fertilization and irrigation. The corn grows taller, its leaves reaching for the sky. Each day brings new growth as the plants stretch towards the sun. By summer it towers over a man's head. The once tiny shoots are now robust stalks, standing tall and proud. Each stalk is heavy with ears of corn, their kernels plump and milky. The plants have reached their full potential, ready to be harvested. Harvest time is near. The culmination of months of hard work and dedication, the fields are now ready to yield their bounty. Farmers prepare their equipment, eager to gather the fruits of their labor. Gone are the days of hand-picking corn. Today's harvest is a high-tech ballet of massive machines. Combine harvesters bigger than houses roll through the fields. These beasts strip the corn ears from the stalks, shuck them, and then separate the kernels from the cob. All this happens in one smooth operation. It's mesmerizing to watch. GPS guides the combines, ensuring every inch of the field is harvested. Sensors monitor the moisture content of the kernels, adjusting the machine's settings for optimal performance. The harvested corn is then transferred into waiting trucks. These trucks, also guided by GPS, transport the corn to processing plants. Technology streamlines the entire process, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. The trucks rumble away from the fields, loaded with tons of freshly harvested corn. Their destination? Processing plants where the corn will be turned into countless products. Some corn is destined for animal feed, some will become ethanol. But a lucky portion is headed for a special fate to become popcorn. This journey can be long, hundreds of miles. Trucks equipped with climate control keep the corn at the perfect temperature and humidity. This ensures it arrives at the processing plant in prime condition. At the plant, the corn is weighed, cleaned, and inspected. Only the highest quality kernels will do for popcorn. These kernels are then stored in huge silos, ready for the next stage of their transformation. Section 5. Inside the popcorn factory, from kernel to puff. Welcome to the heart of popcorn production, where the magic happens. The popcorn factory is a symphony of clanging metal, whirring machinery, and the irresistible aroma of popping corn. It's a place where science meets culinary art. Here, those humble kernels undergo an amazing transformation. From their raw, unassuming state, they are destined to become a beloved snack. First, the kernels are meticulously cleaned again, removing any remaining debris. This ensures that only the best kernels make it to the next stage. Then they're heated, not just any heat, mind you. This is a precise science. This is a carefully controlled process using hot air or oil to reach the perfect popping temperature. The temperature must be just right to ensure every kernel pops to perfection. As the kernels heat up, the moisture inside them turns to steam. This is where the magic begins. The pressure builds and builds until, pop! Each kernel bursts open, transforming into a fluffy piece of popcorn. The kernels explode, turning themselves inside out and puffing up into fluffy white popcorn. It's a mesmerizing sight, a true spectacle of nature and technology. The popped corn is then sorted, seasoned, and packaged. Each step is crucial to ensure the highest quality product. Salt, butter, caramel. The possibilities are endless. Each seasoning adds a unique flavor, catering to different tastes and preferences. Finally, it's shipped off to stores, ready for movie nights, ball games, and snack attacks. From kernel to puff, the journey of popcorn is a fascinating one, filled with precision and care. Section 6. The science of popping: heat, moisture, and explosion. Ever wonder what makes popcorn pop? It's not magic, it's science. Inside each kernel is a tiny droplet of water surrounded by starch. When heated, that water turns to steam. The steam wants to escape, but the hard outer shell of the kernel traps it. Pressure builds like a tiny pressure cooker. Finally, the pressure becomes too much. The kernel explodes. The starch inside puffs outward, creating the fluffy white shape we know and love. Different types of corn have different levels of moisture, which is why some pop better than others. Popcorn is a fascinating example of how simple ingredients, combined with a little heat and pressure, can create something truly amazing. Section 7. Beyond the bucket. The versatility of popcorn. Popcorn is more than just a movie snack. It's a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Sweet or savory, there's a popcorn flavor for everyone. Classic buttered popcorn is always a winner. But don't be afraid to get adventurous. Try drizzling it with melted chocolate, sprinkling on chili powder, or tossing it with Parmesan cheese. Popcorn is also a healthier snack option than potato chips or candy. It's low in calories and fat, and a good source of fiber. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free. So next time you're looking for a tasty and satisfying snack, reach for a bag of popcorn. You might be surprised at how versatile this humble kernel can be. Section 8. Feeding the future: technology and sustainable agriculture. Farming is changing. The way we grow our food is undergoing a transformation, driven by the need to feed a growing global population while preserving our planet's resources. Technology is making it more efficient and sustainable. From the use of advanced machinery to the integration of digital tools, modern agriculture is evolving at a rapid pace. That means we can grow more food using less land and resources. Precision agriculture uses sensors, drones, and data analysis to optimize every aspect of farming. This innovative approach allows farmers to monitor crop health in real time, make informed decisions, and apply resources like water and fertilizers more precisely, and data analysis to optimize every aspect of farming. This reduces waste, conserves water, and minimizes the environmental impact. By leveraging technology, farmers can ensure that every drop of water and every ounce of fertilizer is used efficiently, reducing the overall footprint of agriculture, and minimizes the environmental impact. Advanced irrigation systems, for example, can deliver water directly to the roots of plants, reducing evaporation and runoff. This not only conserves water but also ensures that crops receive the right amount of moisture they need to thrive. As the world's population grows, the pressure on our food systems increases. We need to produce more food than ever before, but we must do so in a way that is sustainable and environmentally friendly. So does the demand for food. This is where technology comes in. By adopting innovative farming practices, we can meet the growing demand for food without depleting our natural resources. Technology will play a vital role in meeting this challenge. By embracing innovation, farmers can increase their yields, improve the quality of their produce, and reduce their environmental impact. This is not just about feeding people today, but also about ensuring that future generations have access to safe, affordable, and nutritious food. We can ensure a future where everyone has access to safe, affordable, and nutritious food. The benefits of technology in agriculture extend beyond the farm. They reach our dining tables, providing us with a variety of healthy and delicious food options. So next time you enjoy a bag of popcorn, think about the journey it took from the field to your hands. The hard work of farmers, combined with the power of technology, makes it all possible. Remember the farmers and the technology that made it possible. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress in agriculture. It's a delicious example of how innovation is shaping the future of food. As we move forward, the integration of technology and agriculture will continue to play a crucial role in feeding the world sustainably.